Hello learners, you are welcome to today's class. Today we are going to look at software. Yeah. Can you repeat after me? Good. Software. I know when we talk about software, I know most of you have heard of the name before and you are familiar with it with software, that word, you are familiar with that. But what is software? Let's brainstorm. Okay, anyone with an idea? Great, that's very great. All right, let's move on. So when we talk about software is a program that contains lists of instructions and which tells the computer user what to do. So it's a program which contains lists of instructions that tell the computer user what to do. Yeah, so that is a brief definition of what software. Now we have two types of softwares. We have two types of them. We have the operating system software and the application software. Can you repeat after me? Yes, operating system software and application software. So when we talk about operating system software, it is simply, some people used to call it OS. Yes, that is a software that manages the hardware component and the software component of the computer. So it's a software which is responsible for managing the hardware component and that of the software component of the computer. So that is basically what the operating system software is. And let's look at what an application system software is. An application system software is a software which is designed to perform a specific task. It is a program. Let's say here, it is a computer program which is designed to perform a specific function. Can we talk about some examples of these types of softwares? Great. Let's look at some examples of these types of software. Let's look at examples of an operating system software. We have Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7. We have that of Android. We have Windows 10, Panda, and Apple OS. I get it. So these are some quiet examples of what operating system software. And what this software does is that it manages what the hardware component and that of the software component of a computer. I getting it? Good. So these are examples of what operating system software. Good. Let's also look at some examples of application software. We have Gmail. Yes, Gmail is an example of application software. We have YouTube. We also have PDF reader. We have Mavis Beacon, almighty Mavis Beacon. The Mavis Beacon you've been using. Yes, it's an example of what an application software. We also have Google Chrome. Google Chrome is an example of application software. We have the Microsoft Word. Yes, we have Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel. Yes, and then we also have McAfee Secure. McAfee Secure is an antivirus software, and that form part of what the application software. So, what I would like you to do is I will give you a picture of some quite number of softwares, then you tell me the name of these softwares. Good. The first one is, yes, the one with the blue icon, blue and white icon.